So, first impressions, what you think?
Think it's shabby. Ooh, might be a little big for her.
Well, you got to give it a little push off the rip. Say it don't like going with me.
It's a little hard to steer.
I can't catch him. Bro. Not one with that much power. She'll get the hang of it. Right down the hill.
Oh, bro.
The brakes work good. Nah, she got it. Look at it.
For it! She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. You know what we're talking about. You know. You'll see here in a second. I'm going so fast!
Round two. Hey, hey, hey. Go down that hill.
Hell yeah. This thing is fucking awesome.
What are you doing? My man.
I kind of forgot the saying's brakes aren't very good. So I forgot that. And I kind of came in a little too hot over there.
What'd you hit?
Just that bump. And then my head hit the ceiling.
Oh, okay.
Now I don't know where the other piece of my glasses are.
Oh, he's just power washer. You need you need power wash.
Need power wash.
You just need power wash. You act like this is problem.
It is not a problem.
You act like CRV cannot handle.
It hurt head and glasses. That is problem.
CRV is capable.
CRV is. Oakley is not.
Oakley. Oakley is not okay.
Oakley is not capable.
Dang, those Oakleys are. Whoa, whoa. Let me see some. Go around.
Those brakes are so spongy. It just.
Nah, she good. She good.
She good. I wish she had a little. You know what I mean?
It's got that little rippy boy there.
That works.
little soft there.
Yeah, I don't think ain't no pressure there. That's cool.
No, it's good. It's good. That's foul.
Hear that two-step?
Uh-huh.
Bro, that was crazy.
Bro, unlock this door. Oh.
You just ain't pull it.
Yeah, I should have just opened it, I guess.
Alright.
Do something then. Do something, Emma. Well, do something then. Hey, Minibike's right there. Just pull the cord, hop on.
It's that all-wheel drive. She got nothing but traction.
Oh, yeah. She get away from me, you know what I mean? Matter of fact, she does the complete opposite of that. Oh. Easy killer.
You said do something.
All right, well, then do something. I ain't.
Just seeing what her off-road capabilities are.
Yeah, that's cool. I just figured we leave that for the Jurassic Park CRV, you know what I mean?
That's fair.
At least for now.
That's fair.
I told y'all, we ain't bring that bitch to the woods. She's fucking fast, dude!
Bro, you hear that?
She's fucking fast, dude!
Did you hear that VTEC?
You hear the VTEC?
I've heard a lot of Hondas that sound like this in my day. And they ain't never been slow.
Bro, that was like 70 miles an hour right there.
That was fast. That was really fast.
That was like at least 85.
80, I mean, could have been pushing 90, really.
I mean, the speedometer's a little off. I don't know if you can
It's
see
off
that.
a little bit.
It's a little... She needs a tune. She needs a tune. That's what it is.
You know, it's a 98. What are you going to do?
Is it a 98?
I don't know.
I thought it was a 99. What is the CRV? It does not matter. It is beast.
It's one of those years, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. No, tank. That's what it is.
That was good. That was a good wind
That
out.
was good. Easy. Speed limit's 55, bro. Slow down.
I'm aware.
Slow down.
Hold on a second.
Jesus, this guy's trying to get crazy. Pull out a hand with him. Foot off the clutch. Bro, I'm in my seat. Holy shit! Holy shit!
That was a 0 to 60 times like 9 seconds. That was fast.
Bro, I
as
don't know what
fuck.
to do about that.
I ain't never been in something this fast.
Should we check the tires?
Bro, they might be gone. I feel a little rumble.
Okay.
I didn't do that, dude.
He's got the goggles on. Who cares? The contacts, the safety contacts.
This is for testing purposes. Rockadoo crack windshield.
Why do you do that?
Why do you do that?
We needed that windshield. Oh my god, you do not hit CRV. The new fucking toy.
What's that going?
What up, player? Oh, it sounds good. That thing sounds healthy. Hey. Look at this monster. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, I like the bench seat. This thing's fucking sweet. Tinted windows. Ready to knock them bitches out. Oh yeah, I dig it. It's got good brakes.
No, right, there's 2 brake lines leaking. I just filled them
He said there's 2 leaking.
up. I filled them up. Yeah, I'm gonna tune this bad bitch up.
Mm-hmm.
Run 3 wires in here from Stardust, Illinois battery, fire her up. I might even, because I'm gonna put a front cage. I'm gonna put a front bar here, and then the side bars and a back bar. I might even have a downspout bar coming out here with a shifter. And I might put like a push button fucking engine start right there.
Bro, push button would be sweet. That's G status. Oh man. Sounds good.
That sounds better.
Alright. Stop, I hurt myself.
Didn't even close. You can't fucking. It's them old cars. You can't be easy on these bitches. I love this thing. I do. Look at this fucking. Look at all the room in here. You know, weight delete, weight reduction. This thing's awesome.
Oh my foot! Look!
Got the new wheels on there. Y'all already know what it is.
No, wait. No, I don't.